Hi, I am Jamie McGill. My product demonstration is on Quizlet, which can be used by students or teachers. It is a way to share content with students for teachers, create a classroom, create different folders and units for your students, and share some more engaging material with them so that they are not looking just at textbooks and worksheets all the time. The site is pretty user-friendly, easy to use. You can find some different things, get it all set up. It even has some different sources for teachers, resources, materials, different things that you can use, ideas for your students. I am going to jump right into a demo of some of the things that you can use for your classroom. So the main thing about Quizlet is either importing your own study sets from the computer. You can create your own special, very specific set for your class, or you can browse some of the sets that are already there and pre-made for you. And I really like those. So when you go to the home screen for teachers, you are just going to either create your own set or you can browse the other sets once you, of course, get your classroom set up and get your students all invited to join. So you can do this by looking at users that you are familiar with, friends or other teachers that you know who have similar classes, or you can just browse by very general topics or even more specific ones. I am going to type in something just kind of broad so that I can show you a quick demonstration. So for your class, these are kind of the different tools that you can use. You can see reviews for the particular set, who the set is aimed toward, what the topic covers. So the first thing that you can use for students are just basic flashcards. You click on the card, see the term. Very, very simple, basic, good way to study. The next thing would be the learning option. So you select the correct answer, basically like a multiple choice quiz. Next thing would be writing. They can type in the correct answer so they don't have all the clues that they would have with the others. The next thing is spelling. You basically just type what you hear. You can assign different tests. And then there are several games that you can play with your students. One is a very basic matching game. The next one is a gravity game. It's a little more fun, video gamey for the students. Gives them a little bit of a challenge and still allows them to learn the content. And the last one is this live game that you can play with your entire class, kind of quiz the whole room, kind of a Jeopardy style game. So I would use this in my classroom for several things. I like the flashcards for studying. I would let the students study these individually, either prior to a lesson with vocabulary they need to learn, or throughout the lesson, or before they take a quiz. I would use the classroom game as a way to engage my classroom, get them thinking, give them just a fun challenge. And the other thing I would use would be the type it in once they are toward the end of a lesson and are learning to actually say what the answer is on their own without clues. Quizlet, you need a computer, probably a whiteboard or projector if you're going to play with the class, but just basic classroom equipment, which makes it really nice. Thank you.